Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 phone hang solution. If you are using Vivo Y19 and you are having an issue of hang, so let's see how can you solve the problem. You must have to close all of your background apps. So just open the three horizontal lines to open your background apps, and here you can see the lot of apps are running in background. You must have to close them all, and after that you just have to open the iManager app in your phone, and here you have to do some steps. The first is you have to tap on optimum to optimize your phone performance, and now wait for briefly 5 or 10 seconds, then tap on done. And after that just go for security scan, just tap on it, and it will take a glance of your phone security. And now you have to briefly wait for 10 or 5 seconds, and then just go back, and here you have the utility tools option, just tap on it, and you will get the phone calling option, just tap on it. And here you have to cool down your phone temperature, just tap on cool down, and after that you just have to wait for 1 minute. And after cooling down your phone you must have to make a restart of your phone. So just press and hold the power button, and then this type of interface will appear. You just have to select restart option to restart your phone, and after that your hang problem will be closed and you can easily use your phone with a better performance. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.